Hello, welcome to you all, and welcome to my multidiscipline lecture. And I just for more about me, and you go through this senthil.sarc.co.in and go through my personal website, personal sister concern, sarc.co.in. SARC means Success Inventive Research Center. And I have taken a multidiscipline lecture in the different aspects. Started with force, permeability, black hole, and then I took a wave, because wave will occupy most of this spaces in this case of science and technology as concerned, because everywhere the wave will be applicable. And still we didn't clearly characterize the wave in this case of every discipline. It's still we are using it as a kinematics, and we have to go for a wave based one, so that we can make an efficient and also the accurate kind of the science and technology in this case. So wave is very important aspect in this case. So first I took last time I took one lecture with 55 minutes, but it is very bulky and I have taken much more aspects in this case. So I just took this small video by this now, and I took this second lecture on wave, and I need to classify what's on wave at least. The wave is nothing but the trajectory of energy transfer. So this is let's take now I have a particle here, and I am throwing a particle over here. The ball will move. I have a ball and we are throwing it over the floor, and the ball will hit here and keep on moving in this case. How come you say whether it is a particle or a wave? In this case, if I this trajectory I can say it as a wave, whereas the particle which takes a displacement, it will be called it as an particle. The displacement thing, the ball will be called it as a particle. The ball has taken a displacement, that we call it as a particle, and the trajectory will be termed as a wave. So this we can say it as a wave particle dual nature. Still we are confused whether we cannot classify what's a wave, what's a particle, and what's a wave particle dual nature in this case. So the trajectory will be termed as a wave, and the particle which takes the displacement, that we call it as a particle. In this case, next one is we have a vessel, and in the vessel we have water, and when I am throwing a stone on the water, the ball, the water molecules will keep on moving from this position to this position, and it will be keep on ups and downs. It doesn't been propagate in this horizontal direction. It will just it just makes vibrate. Vibrate, we call it as a vibrate, or maybe it can be takes a displacement in this case of vertical direction, but the energy transferred in the horizontal directions. So that's what the water will move like this, but the wave will move in these directions. So similarly, the water will move in these directions. It takes a displacement vertically, but horizontally the wave energy will be transferred. This we call it as, in this case, the particle may not propagate in the trajectory of the wave, trajectory of this wave propagation. Here the particle will move in this case. So in this case the wave particle will move, here the particle will not move in this case. And let us come to this one, and energy can be transferred through wave only. That we have to realize it crystally. The energy, every energy can be propagated through wave only. We will discuss about the how about this wave heat energy in this forthcoming lecture. And next is wave is nothing but trajectory of continuous momentum. For example, we have this momentum and it's keep on momentum with this case. For example, I have a particle, it will hit with this one and it will make some momentum, further it will meet with this one and it will take another momentum, either it takes, we can take it as a momentum. So the trajectory of continuous momentum we will call it as a wave. And in this case of some other aspects, the wave can be projected as a vectoral portion. We are discussed much in the earlier lecture regarding this different types of wave and the different parameters of the wave in this case. So this is what we are saying it as a wave, and let us say discuss about the applications of the wave. What are the different applications of the wave? The wave can be used for two basic aspects. One is for energy transfer and another one is for information transfer. In this case of energy transfer, we may use it as for mechanical aspects, for machinery aspects or any mechanical aspects. We use it as any mechanical aspects, machineries and anything will be used for energy transfer, or maybe for electrical energy transfer, for electrical energy for commercial use, that will be comes under this energy transfer. Information transfer, just like I am talking now, the wave will be propagated to here and it will come to my mic, and then it will come to here. So, in this case the wave can be also be used for information transfer, like wireless communication or wired communication or fiber optics or maybe a fixed line or maybe this sound waves, any kind of waves can be this like kind of waves can be used for information transfer. So, the wave can be used for energy transfer and also the wave can be used for information transfer. Thank you.